Hey Ava,
Hey Dad.
why couldn't the bike stay standing? It was too tired. We're headed to Twin Falls, Idaho for a week on our way to Vegas. We'll be here 1 week.
And then we're headed to Salt Lake City, Utah.
I-84 eastbound, you can definitely tell we are in the high desert. I like being on the interstates. They're much easier with this large rig. I did have to dodge a few tumbleweeds. And as you'll see later on the drive, there was a helicopter who was spraying chemicals or fertilizer on his fields right next to the interstate, and it looked like he was playing a little chicken with the traffic. Windy. That's not really hot yet. Speed limit's 80. A lot of people were passing me. I like to keep it a little slower. And up ahead here to the right, you'll see the helicopter. He had just finished spraying that field, and it looks like he just about clipped me. We arrived last night. Let's take a look at the Twin Falls 93 RV Resort. Today we're heading to Keystone Falls, one of the largest waterfalls in the United States. We're here at the Keystone Falls in Twin Falls, Idaho. One of the largest waterfalls in the United States. Take a look.